everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you love tech, unboxings, and simple tips, you are in the right place. So, in this video, we will talk about how to reset network settings on Android. For this, open the settings app on your device. Now, search for reset option. Now, click on reset Wi-Fi mobile and Bluetooth option. Now, click on reset Wi-Fi mobile and Bluetooth option. Tap on reset settings. Enter your PIN to continue. Now tap on reset settings. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.